Looking for furnace repair, maintenance and service in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to keep your home warm and comfortable, especially during St Albert's cold winters. Whether you need furnace repair for an unexpected breakdown or routine furnace maintenance, to keep your system running efficiently, our certified technicians provide fast, professional service. In St Albert, reliable heating is essential. That's why homeowners trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert service, quick response times, and upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the top choice for furnace repair, maintenance, and service in St Albert.